Gempages Shopify homepage tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a homepage on your Shopify store using Gempages. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Add Apps. Then you're going to select Shopify App Store. Once on your App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top and you're just going to type in Gempages. So you can see it right here, Gempages landing page, and you can install it for completely free. So you're going to tap on install. Then you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on install once more. Once it has been installed, you'll be redirected to the Gempages dashboard. Once you have signed up, what you're going to do next, you're going to simply tap on create new page. After selecting create new page from the top, you can choose whether you'd like to select one of their landing pages and you can see how it looks, or you can select home page. And I'm going to be selecting home page for this tutorial. After selecting home page, you have numerous templates that you can choose from. Let's say for example we were to select this template. So you'll tap on select. After you have selected the home page that you'd like to use, you'll be redirected to the editor page. And one of the things that I love about Gempages is it is beginner friendly and easy to use. So if you would like to change the image that is there, you can select the image, then go over to the left hand menu option and upload the image that you would like to replace it with. You can tap on each of the text sections and you can quickly edit it to your liking. So let's say instead of it being 75%, I would like to change it to 25. I can type that in right there. You can also tap on the button and from the left hand column you can edit the button, so you could choose the link that you would like to redirect persons to. So for example, you could select the product that you'd like to redirect persons to right there, and you can see different editing options. And by scrolling down you can continue editing, and if you would like to add a section you can tap on the plus and you can choose from their templates, or you can choose to add a blank section. Let's say we were to tap on choose templates. You can see different section templates that you can select from. So whether you'd like to add product details or you'd like to add trust badges, you can see there are numerous options that you can select and quickly add. And scrolling down you can continue making your changes. And by the way, by going over to the left hand menu option, if we were to tap on plus, this is where you'll be able to see the different elements that you can add. So whether you like to add a text, image, a video banner, anything at all, you can quickly add it by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner. Once you're finished editing your home page, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner and you'll tap on replace current home page and you're just going to tap on publish. Once it is live, you're going to simply tap on the X. Once it is live, you're going to tap on the X to close it. So just give it a few seconds while it is being added to our store. So you can see right there, published. So if you would like to view it, we can tap right here. You can see you should enable Gempages theme. So we can tap on turn on, and then it is going to carry us to our editor page, and you're going to pay attention to the top left hand corner. You want to ensure that it is toggled on. Then you're going to tap on save. And you can see an example of how it looks right there. So this is our home page at the moment. And just like that, we have created a new home page using Gempages. Hope you found this tutorial short and helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.